Morning guys, welcome back. So another episode. Let's talk money. I say normally just a lot of things that I have on my mind that sometimes I just like to share and get off my chest in a sense. Now today I'm gonna talk about, I know we have people sometimes that like family members and so on that they can't help us. If it is that we want help to do whatever it is, they normally can't help us. Cause to be honest, sometimes them have a little money. I'm not gonna say no. But if it is that they don't help us, we normally go off and pretty much try to bash these people and do a lot of things. You see what I mean? So you can't expect help from somebody that you're bashing, right? But on the flip side, we need to look and see why these people don't want to help us. Why are they not trying to help us? If I come to them and I say, hey, I have a new business idea and this is how much I need to start up and so on, why do you think they don't want to help us? Because last time I checked, nobody don't want to make it. Last time I checked, nobody is against making money. But what are they against? Then chance to one is you. Now, you see, mindset people, our mindset is a big part of who we are and how we able to make money. Cool? Now, you might be there saying that, yo, this is a good idea and so on, you know, but then when you look into it, you're just looking at it from a one-dimensional aspect. You see me? Your mindset pretty much will come out, right? Your mindset when it comes to money is not right. Now, your family possibly even did help you before, you know, because you always have your plans and all of them things. They may have helped you sometime before, and you may not even come out with nothing. So in a sense, you cry wolf. Now, if I help you a couple of times, me personally, if me help you a couple of times, I'ma see where nothing happen. Just see more, and I'm gonna help you again. You understand? So we have to change your mindset. Remember, I had a friend, right? Now, this friend, he was always saying that his family not trying to help him and this and that, but every time him little brother go to him parents them, he may even forget help. You understand? He must say, oh, them not deal with him good and re. Now, when me look on the situation, this man little brother come finish university before him and all of these things. Now, you start university before your little brother come finish and you still there at university. To be honest, me not support you in a party. No, it don't make no sense. Your little brother come finish university and you still there. That don't make no sense to me. I'm not help you. You are a waste of my time, to be honest. And that my thing, pan. Kind of make no sense. Me more if you help your little brother now, because here what, me can see where it is that this brother I try. And most of the time that is all people want to see. Them just want to see I try. But when you just did a stagnant and now move and expect everything, you're not gonna get nothing. You see me? You can't expect something for nothing. You always hear them say, yo, if you plant corn or whatever, you can't expect for reap yam or something like that. Something like so. But you know, if you plant corn, you have to expect say your corn you go reap. So you expect things to change because all of a sudden you have a new idea. You say, yeah, I hit this, I go hit. No. You already done spread your bed bad. So if you spread your bed bad from morning, why you feel say me are going to support you at this junction in time? That don't make no sense. You have to do it from morning and you have to show a level of maturity in everything what you do. If you're not mature, you're not here to manage money. You're not here to manage people money. You get me? You're not going to be able to do it. You have to know, say, yo, you get this money, you say, alright, you know, it's that piece of money, you have to start up like a business here. And once the business start, then the first set of profit, I know say I need to pay back my uncle money or my auntie money or my grandmother money and them thing there. But a lot of times, the business start and the first thing you do, I have to spend it back on myself. Can't work so. So, me give you my money. If you say, yeah, you're going to do a business, you're going to pay me back. Then you take my money, spend on yourself. And when the business fails, or if the business fails, you're going to come to me and tell me, say, oh, nothing to make out of the business. So, me lose all of my money. You know, as an investor, that don't make no sense to me. Right? They said that show me, say, yo, it's a risk. You're a bad risk at that. Because you make some money. The business was not a total failure. But you made the decision at that point in time to say, here what? You better uncle lose than me lose, you know. But you never look upon it on a long term. You see me? If uncle lose and the whole business go down, suppose me have a next idea. Suppose uncle can help me at next time. He's not gonna help you at this point, don't. Because you take for him money, you do what you want to do with it, and him not get back nothing. So whatever how much money he give, whatever $10,000, $15,000, $100,000, him don't see back dollar. But you get some help out of it. No, that's not fair at the end of the day. And next thing too, when the son are gonna take the people their money, and the son are gonna dig down one piece of yam over there, so I'm gonna dig down a piece of yam. Don't take people money and then you go on like you want to go around them. That don't work. That is basically the same as the little boy will cry wolf. Because you see, once you take a piece of money, one thing I notice with money, you know, unless you use your money good or you use your money effectively, or something where I go good if you're not gonna make you know better. Understand me? So you have to try to use your money to make you better at all times. As you're gonna have problems. Just know that you're gonna have problems unless you try to use your money to make yourself better. No way are the people. You have to have some principle how you deal with money. Because you see, if you don't have a principle about how you deal with money, you always are gonna lack money. And people always say root of evil are money, you know, but it's not. Money is not the root of all evil. The lack of money is the root of all evil. Because people are gonna try to do everything now to get it. You see me? So just remember, guys, whatever you do, try to remain principled. Once you take people money, if you tell them, say, yo, 2 weeks time, they might get back their money, give them back at least some of the money. Make sure so you have a principle about your thing. Because it's even if you lose, but you didn't have a principle, people more if you help you that way. Because them say, oh, you know him try. Him say him not give him back the money next week, Monday, but he only able to give me back half. Because him say, oh, the business don't go through, and you can show them how the business never go through and all of them things. So, I just say you have to do it, you have to remain principled at the end of the day. Only so you go continually get the help where you might need until you actually bust. And when you actually bust, don't forget to help you. Please, I beg you. So, thanks for watching, guys. You understand? If you're not subscribed yet, just hit that subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications. Make sure you hit that like button there too. You know what I mean? As you know, everything here so I just education and me sharing my opinions. You know what I mean? So if you're gonna make no farm or any farm or investments, do your research, people. You see? One thing, me personally big fan of numbers, but always I do my research. So if somebody tell me say, oh, this good, I'm not gonna just take them word for it. Me, I go look, me, I go check it out myself, me, I go do my research, me, I go try to find out everything myself. So make sure you do that. Understand? Because me can't tell you anything, to be honest, you know. Just so you know, if you decide and know if what I am telling you makes sense or it doesn't make sense. Alright? So until next time, guys. Bye-bye.